Many students don't know well the way we define the term inertia correctly. Today, I am the one to solve this problem. Now, before I define the term inertia, let me start with an example. Have you ever seen the books resting on a table and continue resting there unless there is external force acting on them? That is the application of inertia. Now, what is inertia? Inertia is the property of a body to continue in its state of rest or motion in a straight line, provided that there is no external force acting on it. Now, let's go back to our example of books resting on a table. The books remain resting on a table because there is no an external force acting on them. When maybe you pull or you push them, the books are going to rest in a new position, meaning that the inertia of those books has changed. Now I'm sure that you've got rid of the concept of inertia. Do you have any more examples of various conditions exhibiting inertia? Share with me so as to have the common experience. Have a nice moment.